good, YouTube? We are back with another video. So today I got some 40Ks from Nuki, Tate Johns. These are 4-inch 40Ks. I'm going to be tossing them on the car and then swapping springs around. Big murder guy. I haven't made a video in a little bit, so might as well do something and let's get this girl sitting right and looking good.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Alright, next you want to take the coilover off, 3 bolts on top, and then you get just one bolt on the bottom. So I took the top 3 bolts out, which were 15s, and then now I'm taking the bottom bolt of the fork out that holds the coilover in, and that's the 17. You don't need a socket and a wrench type shit. So support the suspension whichever way you can. In this case, you don't have to. I gotta cut the zip ties off this thing real quick.
Two hours later.
I'm just trying to get this damn coilover off. Chad, I'm cooked. Please don't pull my axle out. Please don't do that. And it's stuck. Fucker's stuck. It's fucking stuck. Are you almost out now? He's stuck. Now we have the shit off, man. Damn. Alright, now it's time for the new job.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Big 40Ks. Big 40Ks. Alright. 40Ks. These over there. Automatic stops. It's on top of here. It's on top of there. So I am going to raise the coils a little bit because these are 1 inch shorter than those. that puts me. And then I don't think this is straight. And now my wrenches are stuck together. Oh. Bolts go back in. Why did I do that before? First step, get the right size socket. Oh, hey, it was already loose. That's not good. Big foes. I'm sorry. 40 Ks. Top hat. Make sure you're sitting down there right. Washer. Bolt. Impact. Make sure you torque it to spec. Damn, I hit my knee. Now you can put them back in. I feel like I didn't tighten all the bolts over there. You got the springs in, so now gotta do some adjustments on the height. Since these are 1 inch shorter, I already gotta raise them up 1 inch. We'll raise the collar 1 inch, and then I'm gonna get up like 2 or 3 more turns just to get it a little higher, because it was rubbing before on the 20 Ks. If I hit a bump, it'll rub. So I raise it up just a hair, just so I'm not sitting on exactly where I was rubbing at, and then should be good. I'll do the rears. I'm gonna do a later day, just because it's dark outside now. Might get a video for Cars Across from Mooresville. I'm not sure. Depending on how it goes, or how the weather goes and everything, but.
Y'all get it fixed. Chop. Chop. There goes the door.
That's an inch. 1, 2, and 3. I do 4 counts, so it's quite an inch. These are Neon Heart somethings from Japan. 18 by 8, very trashy offset. They have 3-inch lips on them, and I'm going to rebuild them once I get all of them. The Japanese shipment is very expensive. This. dog doo-doo fit me right there. 1.25 spacer. It's got 3-inch lips on it, so I could probably get 2 more inches. Awesome. Got a 2-inch lip. Cool. Guess one a 5-inch lip. And I have about. Oh no, I really only have like about 1 inch. And now have a little bit of space between the spindle and the coilover because of how the what's the name was sitting. So this is pretty much fully compressed. It's still sitting on the wheel. Sorry. And she got a little bit of tuck to her. It's about what it was doing before. So yeah, I'm satisfied.